Today we're going to be working on this Samsung stove. The model number is on the display. Welcome to DIY Repair Now. Read all the warnings, and during this video you will see one or more of these icons to help you do this repair safe. The problem that we have with this stove is that it's given an E-28 error code, and according to the paperwork it's showing like it can be this temperature sensor that you see right there, a little stick coming out. That's the temperature sensor. However, many times I have done this repair, and every time it says that it could be the sensor, it's never the sensor unless you can actually see the sensor broken, like physically broken, and you can see it with your own eyes that is broken, or somebody bent it, or wire scraped and wire is damaged. But I always replace the board either way, unless it's something that physically somebody make a damage on the wiring or the actual sensor part. It will never gonna be the sensor, and then if it is the sensor, maybe that sensor already have make damage on the new board, on the existing board, so you will have to end up replacing the board either way. So if you have this error code, my opinion will be go ahead and replace the sensor and also the main computer board. The one you see I'm taking pictures, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the pictures that I took with the phone in case you are not available to find this board easy. This was my case. This board was in back order, nobody had it in stock, and it was very hard to find it. At this moment I'm still looking for it because the customer really wants to repair it. So I also look for it with those footage with the part number on the actual board, and either way I was able to find it. However, I find one that it was kind of similar. The only thing is changing is the last letter on the part number, but I find out that it is not the same number, the same part number. So if you want to go ahead and order this board, go ahead and make sure that it's the right board with the model number. You can just look for the right board part number. I'm gonna go ahead and leave you a link on the description of this video if you wanna see the part number for this board, but maybe it's gonna show that it's or either discontinued or in back order because it's really hard to find it. So if this video helped you in any way, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell to receive notifications.